Hey everybody, hi, welcome. So glad you're here. I have a super fun unboxing for you today, my Glamour jewelry box for March. Yes, Glamour jewelry box, if you are unfamiliar with that subscription, is a jewelry subscription. You get 2 pieces of high-end jewelry for $34 a month. That includes shipping. They are yours to keep. You do get to choose between gold and rose gold or silver, or you can choose to get a mixed. That's what I choose. So I like to get all metals. Can't wait to see what March brings. If you are new to my channel, I'm Laura. This is Zena. Wyatt is the white puppy dog, but I don't even think you can see him right now. Wyatt, can you say hi? There's his face. All right, guys, let's get into my collection. Okay, so each collection always has a theme going with it, and everything always comes inside a jewelry pouch. I do have a discount code for you, so if you decide to give this subscription a try and you use the code HAPPY, you will get a free piece of jewelry with your first collection valued around $25, but I'll put all that information down below for you. All right, so for March, the theme is South Beach. So this will be the South Beach collection, getting everybody in a tropical state of mind. I think we're all probably ready for a getaway at this point, right? It says, kicking off spring the right way, introducing the South Beach collection, delicate jewelry pieces that you'll love to show off as you soak up the spring sun. These pieces are fun, effortless, and will help you get excited about the new season. We can't wait for you to try these pieces on. Glamour jewelry box. All right, let's get into my little bag. You always get, oh, these are pretty. You always get little cards that tell you about each of the pieces. So I'll explain those as I open them up and show them to you. All right, so first up I have a bracelet here. This is a bangle style. It's called the Miami Beach bracelet. Here's what it looks like. Has lots of sparkle there. It is adjustable. It is gold. Here's what it looks like on. So you can close that up if you want to, make it a little bit tighter. So for me, it's going a little bit down here on my, further down on my arm. That's pretty. It is flexible, so it's not going to hurt your arm if you're sitting at your desk working. It should move for you. So it has some flex to it here. You can see that. All right, as I said, it's called the Miami Beach bracelet. The Miami Beach bracelet is a 14 karat gold rhodium plated cuff that has a hint of sparkle with its modern delicate design. The cuff allows for easy adjusting with the ability to overcross both ends depending on your wrist size. The retail value is $30. So I guess by overcross, they mean that you can take this all the way across if you wanted to. So let me try that for you. Here we go. Oh, look, it actually just hooked for me. That's kind of cute. Very nice. I'm glad they mentioned that. All right, I have another piece. This is earrings. Everything does come in plastic inside the little jewelry pouch. This is called Ocean Drive earrings. So love these names. These are a nice size. Check these out. What do you think of that? They are a post. Like the little, it's a hammered look there at the bottom. Those are pretty. Okay, they also have separately in a separate little bag the little post closures, the backs to make sure that they stay on. So I have those as well. See that? Okay. So it says that the ocean drive earrings with its pentagon shape are delicate hoops with a simple and stunning design, plated in 14-karat gold rhodium. These earrings will provide an effortless touch to kickstart any spring celebration. And the retail value of these are $43. So the set is $34, including shipping, and the value of this would be $73 for both pieces. All right, I'm gonna get this second one on for you and show you what these look like. And you usually get earrings, necklaces, or bracelets. That could be what is in your collection. So here's a closer look at the earrings. What do you guys think of that? I like them. I like that they're thinner since they're so large. And I like the shape of them. And here is the bracelet too. I kind of left it hooked. I liked that. Yeah, those are pretty. I think I probably like them better with my hair down, but I'm glad I have my hair up so I can show you exactly what they look like because they are quite large on me, but pretty. And that is both pieces. What did you guys think? All right, so please share down below. Let me know what you thought of this collection. Let me know if you got something different in yours. I would like to know. And I will put all the information down below in case you want to give Glamour Jewelry Box a try. Don't forget, I do have that code HAPPY, which will give you a free piece of jewelry in your first subscription, valued at around $25. All right, this was fun. And I do love how this does like click, or you can wear it loose. Isn't that nice? And it's totally adjustable. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's a wrap on my Glamour Jewelry Box. I had so much fun sharing these pieces with you today. I hope you enjoyed it as well. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. It helps me continue to bring you videos just like this one. Would love you to hang out for the long haul and hit that subscribe button. It helps me continue to grow my channel. And for those of you that already have, thank you, thank you, thank you. I will put all the information for Glamour Jewelry Box down below, including my discount code for that free piece of jewelry. And I can't wait to read your comments. Until next time, bye-bye, everybody.